Established in 2013 under the aegis of Har Kasturi Memorial Trust Hapur and sponsored by Merino Industries Limited, Swami Vivekanand Arunodaya Vidyalaya was born from a vision deeply rooted in the teachings of Swami Vivekanand, with the aim to educate and empower students from socially disadvantaged strata. In alignment with the school mission, we provide free quality education and wholesome meals to students, shaping them into catalysts of change for their communities through our progressive curriculum. In this era, where the environment faces unprecedented challenges, we embody a comprehensive approach through our robust practices. To ensure water conservation and its reuse, we have a rainwater harvesting system and a sewage treatment plant. Solar panels are used to generate solar energy, while LED bulbs and BLDC fans ensure minimal consumption of energy. Air cooling is achieved through air handling units, which are more energy efficient than air conditioners. Students incorporate the 3 R's in day-to-day activities. Waste is segregated into biodegradable and non-biodegradable, and a vermicomposting tank is used for composting food waste to make fertilizers. Students make organic cleansers from bioenzymes processed from peels of citrus fruits. We shun the use of plastic and collect plastic from our neighborhood to make useful eco-bricks. Students also make seed bombs, seed pens and bird feeders with waste material. Regular audits are conducted to monitor consumption of water, electricity and cooking gas to ensure responsible consumption of energy. Zero waste is our motto. Students recycle waste paper to make beautiful writing pads. We have a book bank where textbooks are passed from outgoing students to the new batch. We even utilize the leftover pages from old notebooks to compile them into new usable notebooks. Our tech-savvy students have developed innovative applications for automation of class attendance and voting, thus reducing the use of paper. Addressing the environmental impact of transportation, we promote walking, cycling and use of shared e-rickshaws and do not have any school buses. Students are sensitized to adopt environment-friendly practices through special assemblies, regular cleanliness and plantation drives, organic farming, visits to Gaushala, etc. Good health and wellness for students are ensured through regular health camps, workshops and counseling sessions. For meaningful community engagement, regular counseling sessions are conducted for parents on important topics such as health and hygiene, and assistance provided to them for enrolling in beneficial schemes such as Ayushman Bharat. We also provide midday meals to 2 schools in our neighborhood.